Hello, today we will guide you through how to add a bank account in Exness. To begin, open the Exness personal area in your browser and make sure you are signed in to your account. This is the main dashboard where you manage your trading account, payments, and wallet settings. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until the full menu appears so you can clearly see all available options before moving on. Once you are inside the personal area, look toward the left-hand panel of the screen. In that side menu, find the option labeled Payments and Wallet, then click on it. This section is where Exness keeps all of the tools related to deposits, withdrawals, and payment methods. Taking a moment to confirm you are in the correct area can help avoid selecting the wrong account section by mistake. After that, click on Deposit. This will take you to the page where different funding methods are displayed. The deposit area is designed to show all available payment options connected to your region and account type. So what you see may vary slightly depending on your setup. That is completely normal. Next, scroll down through the available payment methods until you locate bank card, then click on it. Be sure to read each option carefully as you scroll, especially if several payment methods look similar. Selecting the correct banking option is important because it determines the setup steps that follow on the next screen. Once you have selected bank card, continue by following the on-screen procedure shown in your own account to complete the setup. At this stage, Exness may ask you to enter your banking details, confirm certain information, or complete a verification step. Since screens can differ from one user to another, the most important thing here is to carefully read each prompt before submitting anything. Take your time, double-check the information you enter, and make sure everything matches your banking records to help avoid delays or errors. If you are asked for confirmation or verification, complete that process exactly as instructed on the screen. It is also a good idea to review all details one last time before finishing, especially when linking a payment method to your account. And that's it. You have now gone through the process of adding your bank account or bank card option in Exness. Follow the prompts displayed in your personal area carefully, and your setup should be completed smoothly.